So my first gen Cummins fan shroud just came. I just wanted to do a little bit of an unboxing. I probably should have pre-cut this, but it's from first gen Resistance. Where is he? There she is. Don't lick it. Whoa, get back. You can see it's fiberglass. Stop. I don't know if that's paint or what they do to make it, but look, it even says caution fan. So I'm hoping this works with my non-intercooled fan hub, because I have a air-cooled style radiator with a non-intercooled truck with a non-intercooled fan truck or non-intercooled fan hub.